Would you like to earn money? Yes. Okay. How much? Okay. Okay. So everyone would like to earn money. Now, money can be earned in three ways. The first and foremost is that you do hard work, you will get money. Okay. Number two, you acquire certain skill sets and then you will get money. As you are going to become a registered pharmacist, you will be acquiring some skill set and then you will be having value when you will go into society. So you are having skill set, that is pharmacist. Then number third, money can be earned with the help of mind. Okay. So hard work, if you are going to do hard work, there are limitations to get the money. Yes or no? Otherwise, the richest person would have been coolies, those who are doing hard work. Yes or no? Are you with me, students? Am I audible to everyone? Right, great. So now, hard work, yes, there is no any substitute for hard work. Trust me, students, they are having the tendency that I will do smart work. Yes, you can do the smart work, but over a period of time, not instantly. So, kathor parishramas paryay nahi. You have to have hard work. Okay? No two opinions. But in future, if you like to earn some more money, you need to apply your mind, and that is what it is required. Skill set, yes, if suppose a person is electrician, nowadays, now because of the summer season, you may require AC technician. So whenever AC technician comes, at that time you can say do the servicing and he earn the money, maybe 2,000 rupees for servicing or likewise. So if a plumber comes, he charges you something. So some skill set you are having, you can certainly earn the money. But if your mind, whatever mind is, you can say going to conceive, that is what you are going to get in your life. तुमच्या मनामध्ये तुम्ही ठरवायला हवंय की what I would like to do. Students, I'll give you one most important tip, and that is, and you see, whatever I'm going to tell you, everything you know. Okay, it is not like that I'm going to tell you something else. Okay, nowadays Google Guru is there, so everyone knows. Okay, what are the things available on Google and all this. Whatever I'm going to tell, it is a sort of a revision, maybe. Sometimes it is addition. Sometimes you will get something more. Okay, likewise the things are there. So you have to decide what you want to do, and that is 50% success. And when you are going to achieve, that is 100% success. Many of the time, the students, they are having the confusion state, which I was also having. Just to share with you, students, I possess very varied qualifications, which you may not come across at all. Okay, I have pursued my diploma in pharmacy, diploma in mechanical engineering, bachelor of arts, diploma in business management, MMS in marketing, MPhil in HR, PhD in organization management, and LLB. You can say just now at the age of 50 I have completed. Okay, before 3 years. So what I am going to say is that I have very varied qualifications. So I am here to guide you that you should not do like me. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to do in a such a way that what I want to achieve, that you have to decide, you have to focus. All of you know very well the story of Ganpati and Kartik. Do you know the story of Ganpati and Kartik? Everyone knows? Okay, so I'm a Kartik, but I want to become that you should be a Ganpati. Okay, so जसं गणपतीने प्रदक्षिणा काय केली आहे, आई वडिलांना प्रदक्षिणा मारली आणि पुढची प्रदक्षिणा झाली. कार्तिक स्वामींनी काय केलं, पूर्ण जग पाहत बसले. तसं मी काय केलं, पूर्ण जग पाहत बसलोय. पण माझ्या समोरचे विद्यार्थी आहेत, त्यांना मी नक्कीच गणपती बनवू शकतो. का? कारण की I have experienced all the things that if you will do this way, जसं स्वामी विवेकानंदांनी सांगितलंय, if you are having success, nothing like that. But if you are unsuccessful, you can guide people very properly. Okay? So I may feel that I am of the second thing. But believe me and trust me, God has given me everything. And I am, you can say, in the category of FIRE. FIRE means financial independent, retire early. Okay, what does it mean that? Retire early means whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, I have a consultancy by the name Pharma Focus. We provide manpower to pharma companies. I have a good setup at Sadashivpet.